Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail, and here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Flippant, and this is a solid bright pink. Next is in the shade Covetous, and this is a very pale pink. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying a nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I will be applying the shade Covetous on all of my nails. So I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. This is going to be the base for my ombre. So then once I'm finished with my third coat, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the next shade, which is the Flippant. So again, I apply a thin layer of the Pro Base on my nail and then I use a small fluffy eyeshadow brush to dust the powder on half of my nail, concentrating on the free edge. So I will be doing the same step on all of my nails. And then once I'm done, I brush up all the excess powder and then I decided to do a second coat of Flippant just to make the ombre more vibrant. So again, I do the same step on all of my nails. So then once I'm finished with the second coat of Flippant, I move on to my clear powder. This will just encapsulate my nails and protect my design from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will just harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.